Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best myself belts available on the market. The Unisex Easy Velcro belt with faux buckle designed specifically for toddlers, kids, and big kids. This belt is a perfect blend of functionality and style, making it a must-have accessory for your child's wardrobe. From the moment you take it out of the package, you'll notice how lightweight and well-crafted this belt is. It's made with care and precision, featuring a durable Velcro closure that's easy for kids to manage on their own. The patented one-handed design means children can independently snap, slide, and secure the belt without any fuss or adult help, which is especially handy during busy school mornings or potty training stages. What truly sets this belt apart is its clever faux buckle, which slides on easily and gives the appearance of a traditional belt buckle, adding a fashionable touch without compromising the ease of use. Kids can even swap the faux buckle between different belts to match their outfit or mood, making it both functional and fun. Sizing is thoughtfully designed to accommodate children from age 2 all the way up to 12 years old, with options extending even to teens and adults, especially for those who might face challenges with hand dexterity. Whether it's for school uniforms, casual wear, or helping your child build independence, this belt is up to the task. Machine washable and imported with quality standards in mind, the belt withstands daily wear and tear while maintaining its look and functionality. It's an excellent choice for parents who want a belt that looks like a normal fashion accessory but offers so much more in terms of practicality and ease. To sum it up, the Best Myself belt is all about empowering kids with independence, giving them pride in dressing themselves, and making life easier for parents. It's a stylish, durable, and smart solution that combines adaptive clothing innovation with everyday convenience. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a belt that's easy to use, kid-friendly, and stylish, this one should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.